Hi there. I wanted to share with you today a few of our favorite quiet bins. I was chatting with my friend Beth, who runs the Instagram page Days with Gray. She has this incredible Instagram account. So I was chatting with her about some tips and tricks for me getting this rolling, and she suggested doing a weekly feature. So something that I'm passionate about that I could share that might add value to you. So I was thinking the thing that adds the most value to my life that we have been doing for the last 6 years is our quiet bins. We're really big on quiet time in our house. After lunch every day, quiet time happens. My boys are older now, they're 10 and 8, and they still have quiet time every day. Now it looks more like reading or Lego, and the expectations have kind of broadened slightly. They don't have to be in their room, but they know they have to be independent. So they still have independent time, but it's not necessarily in their bedroom. And my littlest, Nora, who's 2, she is just not napping anymore. So she's just gonna start her quiet time. And she's not there yet. Of course, she doesn't understand what quiet time is or anything like that. So I get to start it all over brand new. So I thought I'd take you along on the journey about how I'm getting little Nora ready for quiet time. So one great trick that I use is to use quiet bins. I prepare 3 quiet bins for the week using everyday household materials. And these quiet bins only come out for her to explore at quiet time. So I'm going to begin by just showing her 1 bin a day. She gets to play with that bin, and when quiet time is done, the bin goes away until the next day. When she's bored with that bin, we'll either add something new to it or just give her one of the other 2 bins. Since she's so little, I'm starting with just 5 minutes a day. So my plan, starting tomorrow, is to give her the quiet bin, put her here on the carpet while I'm planning on standing right there and checking my email and doing a couple work things so I'm busy, so she can see that I'm busy, and hopefully she'll engage in her own play for about 5 minutes. Then I'll come over and tell her how wonderful she did with her rest time. I'll see what she's been doing and creating, and then our bins will go away, and we'll do it again the next day. So, and we'll build on that, of course, little by little, because my little ones, my boys have a 1-hour rest time, so she'll get up there as well. Okay, so let me show you our 3 bins for this week. Now, in the first quiet bin, it's just a few beads. There's probably about 20 beads in there and pipe cleaners. Since she's so little, the reality is that this is probably going to get dumped, so I don't want to be her and I picking up beads all afternoon long. So we just put a few beads in here. The pipe cleaner, she can pick one up and practice her threading and fine motor and making some bracelets during quiet time. We've done this together and she likes it very much, so I think this will be a great one to start with. Second quiet bin we're using is this kind of imaginative play quiet bin. So I've just thrown a bunch of popsicle sticks in, and then some little people and little animals and little cars that we have around the house. And when I introduce this to her, I'll show her how she can take the popsicle sticks and she can lay them out in kind of a square shape, and she could put her animal in there. She might choose to put her kitty cat in that little square. And we can play kind of like farmyard, or she can turn them into roads. She can end up feeding these to her little animals as hay. There's lots of imaginative play that can come from this bin. It's just kind of a jumping off point for her. I might actually, we do have a toy farm, right over here. We have a toy farm, one of those plastic farm sets, so I might actually give her this quiet bin with the farm set to try to spark some imaginative play for 5 minutes this week. And the third bin, which she is going to love, is she has been recently introduced to scissors, and she absolutely loves scissors. So of course, all of these bins, like I said, I'm going to be standing right over there. I won't leave her unsupervised because she's very little, and she doesn't really know how to use these things. So the scissors I'm totally comfortable with her using because I'm right here. They're safety scissors. What I've done is I've given a few little interesting things that she might want to cut. So there's some ribbon, just random things that I was able to find downstairs in our craft tower. And then just some construction paper that I cut into manageable size strips so that she'll be able to just snip through with 1 strip, just like that. I know she's gonna love this because she'll cut. I bet this one will get me 10 minutes even. And after that, I could get her a piece of paper and a glue stick and let her take her little pieces and make a picture of them too. So this one might be good, actually. I'll let you know next week how that one goes. Okay, so that's it. Those are the 3 quiet bins we're trying this week. If you're gonna try too, let me know if you're playing along and what quiet bins you're choosing. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.